Before we start this video, I've been reading comments in the last few videos, and some of them are saying that they recently bought my signature deck, signature wheels, or a complete scooter. And then there's some other comments about questions on what scooter they should get. And obviously I'll always recommend the scooter I ride, which is the signature deck, signature wheels, titanium bars, and all the high-end Envy parts. But there are some people that when they see the price, they're like, man, I don't know if I can afford that yet. I need something that's a complete that I can use now and work my way up and maybe customize later on. And this is definitely the complete you should definitely get. It is the Prodigy S8 2021. I also did a full review, and you click the card above if you want to see the full specs on this scooter. Basically, this is a complete scooter with aluminum bars, 120 wheels, a forged head tube, and a decent sized deck for any style rider. If you guys want this scooter or any of the colors that they come in, click the first link in the description. You guys can get yourself a Prodigy or any of the completes, but I do recommend that of all of them, the Prodigy is going to be the best, not only because it comes out of the box perfect. This thing is so sick. But let's say if you wanted to work your way up and customize it in order to build to a scooter like what I ride, you can change the bars, you can change the wheels, and everything is compatible. This is definitely a good scooter to start and to work your way up. And like I said, first link in the description. Now let's get into the video. This is a crazy game of Scoot. What?
Oversized standard bars is better.
I don't care.
I do. I keep telling you.
Are you rusty?
Not at all.
Word on the street in Ridgewood, since I'm not there anymore, I heard you rusty.
Not at all.
Every time I drive down Ridgewood, on Fresh Pond, I go on Fresh Pond like, yo, and I'm like, yo, they're like, yo, Richie's rusty, play him in Scoot. I'm like, oh, word? Like, I'll play him in Scoot. Playing Scoot right now.
Let's go.
Tank tops and all. Loser has to give up their tank top. See, now it's getting personal because you love that tank top. You've been wearing it since you were born.
4 of these. How many do I have?
All right, let me set up real quick. We're gonna play a game of Scoot, and you're not ready. You think you got more tricks on me, like air tricks? Yeah, right?
Don't know.
Just say yeah.
Fine, sure.
Doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you what's good. Give me 2 minutes. Richie actually has a lot of park tricks on me. If anything, he has more park tricks than me, and he can do them all in flat, right? Like he could triple whip easy on flat. I've done triple whips on the ground. I can do them, but they're tough for me, right? So my only confident way of beating Richie is to cheat. And when I mean cheat, I mean not use a regular scooter. And I feel like he's still gonna win because with this thing, with the foam scooter, the Indo scooter, I can do a lot of air hop tricks, but I like need this thing to do all those tricks. Richie can do it on his regular scooter, so we're gonna have to play a game of Scoot, and I don't know what's gonna happen. So play. They're a trampoline scooter, but because we're from New York.
I was gonna say, isn't this a trampoline scooter?
Yeah, I mean it's an indoor scooter too. This is my only shot of beating you on flat right now. I believe so. So I'm really gonna try, and that's the game.
You're gonna beat me because I probably can't tail whip this thing.
I mean, I hope I can beat you. Hey, no practicing. Even though I practice this thing every single day. I got a deal for you.
What?
If you win, you keep it.
I'll win.
All right, so don't keep it. If you win, you can keep that one. No rotate. This is New York. And whoever sets.
Got it.
Go nasty. 3, 2, 1. Make sure you get a lot of run up. What's your set?
Kickless.
Straight? Straight kickless? All right. Let's say one try on set. Whoever's copying the trick, since it's a weird scooter and it's hard to land clean, 2 tries to land the trick.
So if I said you got 2 chances to try it.
And then if I said you got 2 chances.
Okay.
Whole game.
Nope.
That was like a kickless to not list.
That was
Just do it easy. This is actually like the easiest thing you'll ever do if we do it. Thing is, like, I practice this thing every day pretty much in the morning to warm up. I got the advantage, but that's the deal. If you want to win this and keep it, you better land a finger whip. 2 tries. You wanna know the funny? You wanna know the funny part? I really believe if you were on your regular scooter, you could still beat me when I'm using this. Yo, 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 yo! What's your favorite scooter trick?
Finger whip.
Second favorite scooter trick?
Bri flip.
Bri flip.
Kickless again.
I've never done that actually. You could probably do rewind. Thank you, my goodness. Sometimes less is more.
I'm
gonna get you on the whip, skis. Get you on the whip.
Ah, okay, you're good, you're good. That was crazy. You landed hang 50. Bang. So that's
S.C. to S.
S to S.
Oh.
Damn. That was good. I can't do this trick. Even if it was a piece of paper, I still couldn't do this trick.
You can't do it on these scooters, but you can do it on the freaking actual scooter sometimes.
Damn it.
Tie game. You might be able to bring this home with you. I told you.
That should be the last trick for me. I mean, if you could do it right now, then that'd be sick. Well, that one was good. Can't do this trick at all either. I always want to triple heel this thing because I do this.
What's next? I'll count it. I'll count it.
Look at my whole leg.
I don't. All right, so then one more time. It's good.
All right, whatever. I really want to do this trick so bad, and I've tried it. And every time I try to just do anything heel whip, my like chin wants to hit the ground. Be tight, guys. Ah, be tight if you do that.
As long as. Oh. Ah.
Oh.
One more.
Oh my.
No.
That's good. I think it's good. Holy.
Yes. What is that?
You have to do it. I had to land something.
Front side or back side?
I went backside, but whatever you feel comfortable.
I don't feel comfortable at all.
Yes. Finally, I landed something. I just felt like I wasn't landing anything for the whole game.
What is that?
That's it. It's called. Oh. What's this? Oh my God.
Oh. And he missed it this time.
I wish we had those big sumo suits and we could just beat the hell out of each other with these things. Finally. Yes.
Double
O
to
to
C.
C. And it's still my set. You about to set up. This is my set still. Time for you to hold the camera. Oh my God, I don't do bar spins on this thing. It's weird. Scary. That one's scary. I feel like it's just way more vulnerable to mess that up than any other trick. What the? Oh no. I'm about to lose on a trick that you could pretty much finish on the ground too.
Thank you.
What the? Oh my God. Oh my God, I almost like impaled myself.
You're good. Toes are on it.
No,
You're good.
one more. Like, I don't want to land something bad and I go edit this video. I'm like, oh my God, we let that count.
I'll let it go.
Alright. I mean, I'm good, but like, that was crazy.
It's so weird.
Yo, he almost got his shine there on that one. You saw that? You were like this. But finished again with a nice shiner.
Goodbye.
Oh my god.
Alright, I'm gonna finish it off with something so stupid.
A what?
A sack tap.
Well, this you can actually pound the hell out of your Gucci. This one's, I think, is the best way to practice that trick. Because what happens with this trick is you end up hitting your Gooch, I'm just gonna say straight. And since you have a foam scoop, this actually, if I see you smile after this, we got a problem. Go ahead. My God.
This.
I was trying the grip, I didn't do it, but I was trying. Oh, last trick, 4 tries. Technically, right? Oh my God. This is last try.
Game.
Thank you. This one I'm keeping because I like blue. Oh, I just lost the foam scoot. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. These things are fun. We'll try to bring them out more often.
They are really fun.
It's fun, but it's hard to ride your scooter right after. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.